Put kale in the air fryer and you'll be amazed at the result. I'll use about 3 to 4 kale leaves cut into very thin strips. Then I'll add some oil, or you can use olive oil. I'll season it with a little salt. Now let's cook it for about 10 minutes at 130 degrees. Meanwhile, in a pan, we'll add half a slice of chorizo. I'm using the shallow pan from Pobre na Cocina. Add a chopped onion. Mix well and let it saute lightly. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Let's mix again. Now let's add pre-made farofa. I'm using the bacon flavor here. Use the amount you prefer. You can make it drier or moister as you like. Turn off the heat and add our air fryer fried kale. Look how it adds that special touch. Just mix it all together. I ended up adding a bit more farofa here. I'll adjust the salt and add some more black pepper. And there you have it. Our kale farofa is ready. Look how incredible it looks. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care and see you next time.